What up, YouTube? Bring y'all a quick unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And we got the Airpod Pro 3s. Little case protector, silicone case. Nothing crazy. And a screen protector, Tech 21. My go-to every year, every phone. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the iPhone. Pull tab. Okay, Best Buy put their own thing on there too. Okay. Boom, there's that brand new color. Just for people to know what you got. The brand new iPhone, that's the only thing they do different is those colors. And make sure they change it around so that screen protector doesn't fit anymore. Of course, they want you to get a new case. Comes with a little threaded USB-C to USB-C. And that's it. Nothing else in the box. What else we got here? Got the AirPod Pros. AirPod Pro 3s. Supposed to be the best noise cancellation earbuds on the market, period. We'll see how true that is. We want this case to stay fresh. I usually always scratch mine up, even though my last ones were stolen. We're gonna try to recover them one of these days. Got the extra earbud tips. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different ones in there. So altogether 5. And that's it. Nothing else. No cable in here. Is that normal? I don't think that's normal. That's probably the first time they've done that. Go ahead and unwrap it. Oh, I have to rip it? I'm trying not to. Oh well. Needs an update in order for me to use these headphones, so I'm gonna wait until I start up the other phone. Anyway, go back to the phone. And the favorite part of, you know what, I might leave this on until I get my screen protector ready. Where is it at? Where's the tech doctor? Magic John's screen protector. It should fit on the screen. I think it's the same size. If we do this right, we won't need to clean the screen or nothing. Straight from opening the phone up to planting the screen at the same time. Let's see if the dust can settle. Dust is already flying. Electronic or dust magnets. Let's go ahead and start off with the screen protector. I don't understand these screen protectors, how they always open. This looks like it's dirty, like somebody returned this. What the heck? See if we can give it a wipe down. Look at all the dust coming up to my camera. It literally looked like it was returned. Anywho, let's just keep the phone protected. Fits perfect. They're gonna need to come out with new camera protectors. Or does the other one fit? It might fit. Let's try it. Fits fine. Now, let's go ahead and try to Magic John. I don't remember the video. How does this work? Anyway, we're gonna do that on our own time. Be back with our hands on. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment, and peace.